Hey, welcome to the Unboxing Boss. Just a little bonus video today. I was helping a buddy clean out a garage, and in it there was a bunch of old World War I things. And I saw this and it was really neat, so I asked if I could have it, and he said yeah. So this is a World War I shaving kit. You got, it looks like it was used. I don't want to really cut myself. Sorry, out of focus and cam. So it's actually really neat. Just the history of it is really neat. Inside of here, it opens up. And looks like that might be it. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out at the same time as videoing. I didn't go through it first. So yeah, there's a. Let me try to look at that. There's a World War I shaving kit that was issued to all the military. There is extra razors. Those are still sharp. Obviously a little weathered. I mean, it's been in a garage for who knows how long. It's amazing, it's so thin. It's kind of neat. Sorry if things are out of focus now. I messed with it. I will check out, see what it's worth. Eventually, once we get a bunch of people, I'll probably give it away as a prize or something. It might be worth, a bit more to someone than me. Maybe someone that had a relative or a family member, same thing, in the military. So try to put this back without screwing everything up. That goes in there. I think these stayed together. That goes there. And that's it. A World War I shaving kit.